Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Imagine stepping into a world where cars are designed with simplicity and flexibility at their core, no frills, just pure driving experience. Welcome to Slate, the revolutionary new American car company backed by none other than Amazon's Jeff Bezos. I'm here for Electro Drive News, and today we're going to dive into the story of this game-changing EV that's about to shake up the automotive industry. Slate has taken a bold approach to manufacturing, stripping out unnecessary content to reduce costs and focus on what really matters: reliability and upgradability. Their flagship model, the Blank Slate, is a 2-seat pickup truck that comes in just one configuration from the factory. Now you might be thinking, that sounds pretty basic, and you're right, but with the help of over 100 accessories available individually or bundled, the possibilities are endless. Want to turn your truck into an SUV? You can get a roll cage, airbags, and a rear seat all for under £1,000. How about adding some custom color options? Slate's got that covered too, with 3 levels of vehicle wrapping, making personalization far more affordable than you'd expect from a car at this price point. But it's not just about looks. The Blank Slate is also packed with safety features, including a universal phone mount and USB power to connect your own smartphone or tablet. And despite its basic spec, Slate says they've designed the car to meet the highest safety ratings. Now, let's talk tech. The Blank Slate uses a 52, 7K WH battery pack mated to a 201 bhp motor that feeds the rear wheels, giving you a range target of 150 miles, but don't worry, there's an optional battery extension pack available for up to £30,000. Fast charging to 80% is at up to 120 kW and takes less than 30 minutes. What's also worth noting is that Slate's business model relies on unlimited DIY personalization options, which means you can customize your car to your heart's content without having to visit a dealership. You order online, take delivery near your home, and find service locations in your neighborhood. It's the ultimate DIY driving experience. The Slate is currently available to reserve with a refundable $50 fee in the US, with deliveries starting in 2026. And here's the best part: once you factor in incentives, the price will be under $20,000 or £15,000 at current exchange rates. That's right, for less than £15,000, you can get your hands on this radical EV. So there you have it, folks. Slate is the car of the future, and it's coming sooner rather than later. With its focus on simplicity, flexibility, and upgradability, this 2-seat pickup truck is set to shake up the automotive industry in a big way. Stay tuned for more news from the world of electric vehicles here at Electro Drive News.